What has been dubbed North America's worst storm in a lifetime is not over, with some 23 centimeters of snow predicted to fall in the region on Tuesday. At least 28 people have died in western New York alone since the blizzard began over the Christmas weekend. Many of those who died in Buffalo were found in their homes, snowbanks, and cars. Some people were stranded in their cars in the freezing temperature for more than 2 days. At least 50 people have died across the nation. This extreme weather, including severe cold, has gripped the United States over the past couple of days, causing power outages and travel delays.
So anyone who declares victory and says it's over, it is way too early to say this is at its completion of maybe the severity is downplaying now.